Chapter 2 Polynomials Part 6. We are going to see algebraic identities. In 8th class, we might have studied a plus b whole squared, a minus b whole squared, a plus b into a minus b, then x plus a into x minus x plus b. Okay, so these identity already you studied. Just I will recall you. Clear? Understand? Then some more algebraic identity also we are going to see. Clear? You listen very carefully. First, I will write all the algebraic identities. Okay, you have to practice. Clear? First identity a plus b the whole square. A plus b whole squared is nothing but a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay. Second one a minus b the whole square. That is nothing but a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Next one a plus b into a minus b. That is a squared minus b squared. A squared minus b squared. Fourth one x plus a into x plus b. That is x squared plus a plus b into x plus ab. Easily we can remember. X into x squared, then sum of the constants here into x plus product. Sum into x plus product. Easily we can remember these four identities already you studied. Here. So this year you are going to study fifth identity called a plus b plus c the whole square. That is equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Clear? See all the terms square it. Clear? Then the you see the format 2ab plus then what? Cyclic order. A next to what? B next to C. Then B next to C, then C next to A. That is called what? Cyclic order. Understand? So easily we can remember a plus b plus c whole squared is a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Then sixth one a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube nothing but a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. Okay, here also you see a powers decreasing order. A power decreasing order at the same time for b power increasing. Where b power increasing. Okay, the coefficient 3 you remember that is since it is what cube, so that coefficient you remember is the 3 middle term. Okay, so here a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. Same way, the same formula you can write it like this also. Clear? A plus b whole cube you can sometime you can use like this also. Clear? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab you take common means a plus b. Understand the same formula you can write this format also. A cube plus first cube term you write. Here you take 3ab common. 3ab common means you will get, you see, 3ab common means remaining what here a, here b. Okay, same formula you can write this format also. Clear? Now seventh formula. A minus b whole cube. Same format only. For minus there means alternative sign you have to do. Clear? That is a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cube. Clear? You see, first term plus, then negative, then plus negative. Alternatively sign you have to change. Clear? Or the same formula you can write like this also. This format, another format also you can write. a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube. First write cube term, everything minus, then minus 3ab into a minus b. You multiply and see correctly it will come. Here you are taking minus 3ab common, means here you will get a, here you will get minus of b, right? Everything minus will come. Easily you can remember. Okay? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay? Eighth formula. A cube plus b cube. What is a cube plus b cube? A plus b into a squared minus ab plus b squared. You see here plus there means first factor a plus b. As it is, remove the what cube and write as it is a plus b into a squared, middle term sign you have to change, minus ab plus b squared. A squared minus ab plus b squared. Same way, if you have a cube minus b cube means a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. That is the difference, right? Plus there means the middle sign, middle term sign, minus. Minus there means middle term, plus. You have two factors, okay? Two factors. First factor you write as it is, remove the what power. Second factor, middle term, what plus you have to do. This clear point you have to remember. A squared plus ab plus 2, b squared. A squared plus ab plus b squared. Clear? Now 10th formula. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Next formula is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. This is nothing but a plus b plus c. First factor you write a plus b plus c into a squared plus b squared plus c squared minus ab minus bc minus ce. This is also what cyclic order. Easily you can remember. Okay. A squared plus b squared plus c squared minus ab minus bc minus ce. Okay. First factor is a plus b plus c. That's all. Right? So very simple formula. Then 11th formula. In this formula, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, here this formula you put a plus b plus c equal to 0 means what will happen? This fully what 0. So this minus 3abc bring this side. Then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. 3abc. Understand? So this is very important. Clear? This identity, algebraic identities, 11 identities always you have to thorough. Even in higher class also, it will be very useful. Clear? So we have to practice 3 or 4 times, 5 times you practice, and with idea you practice means easily you can remember. Using this 8, 9, 10th formula are called factorization formula. This 8, 9, 10 called factorization formula. You see this a cube plus b cube. Okay, we are writing the factors so that it is called factorization formula. Here also one formula there, that is a squared minus b squared. This is also factorization formula. It is more useful. Clear? When solving problem, it is okay, more useful, that factorization formula. Clear? Now this formula a minus b whole cube, okay, expanded form. This is called expanded form. See, normally we will use this formula only, expanded formula. Okay, in some of the problems you have to use this formula also. Clear? This formula also you have to use. That is depends upon the problem. But normally expanded form is this formula you have to use. Clear? So you thorough this 11 identities, very important. So now we will see some exercise problems by using algebraic identities. Okay, you see the first problem, exercise 2.5. Use suitable identities to find the following: x plus 4 into x plus 10. Here you see, this is the form of what? X plus a into x plus b. That is a fourth identity. Okay, x plus a into x plus b equal to x squared plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay. Now here what you have to take, A is 4 and B is 10. Now you apply. Therefore, x plus 4 into x plus 10 is equal to x squared plus A plus B is 4 plus 10 into x plus 4 into 10. Right. So that is equal to x squared plus 14x plus 40. That's all. Okay, just to apply the formula means we will get the solution. Clear? Next also what in the form of x plus a into x plus b, you have to make the form. Okay, x plus a is 8 and b is this, you can write it as x plus of minus 10. So b is what? Minus 10, right? B is minus 10. So this can be written as x squared plus a plus b, that is 8 minus 10 plus of minus, that is minus 10 into x plus 8 into minus 10. 8 into minus 10. So this is nothing but x squared. Here minus 2 into plus, that is minus 2x. Then minus, plus into minus, minus 80. Minus 80. Okay. You see this also 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. So here x is 3x. X is 3x. In place of x you have 3x here. Here a is 4, b is minus 5. So apply the formula, the same formula, that is 3x the whole square. Okay, put the bracket here, that is very important. Understand, in place of x, 3x you are writing with bracket, whole square is there. That's why you are with bracket you have to write. Plus a plus b, that is 4 minus 5 into x plus a into b, that is 4 into minus 5. Okay, now simplify using 9x squared. This is, you have to take the square for both. Okay, 3 and x, that is 3 squared is 9, x squared you write. Here minus 1, here minus 1 into 3x minus 3x, then plus into minus, minus 20. Minus 20. Okay. You say this is which form? A plus b into a minus b. This is the form. A plus b into a minus b. So this can be written as a square minus b square. This can be written as a square minus b square. So this is the form. In place of a you have y square, but in place of b you have 3 by 2. That's all. So you put in place of a you put y squared, then whole square. Power of power you have to write. Okay. Y square whole power squared. Then minus. So you have the form a plus b into a minus b, means always a squared minus b squared. B squared is 3 by 2 the whole square. B squared is 3 by 2 the whole square. In place of b you put 3 by 2, then put whole squared. Okay, in the bracket. So here you are getting power of power. Power of power means what? Multiply 2 into 2, 4. Y power 4 minus. Now numerator and denominator you have to take the square, means 9 by 4. 9 by 4. Clear? You see your next problem. Evaluate the following products without directly multiplying. That means you have to use suitable identity. You have to use suitable identities. Clear? So this 103. How will you write 100 plus 3? 103, you can write it as 100 plus 3. 107. How will you write? 107. 100 plus 7. Right or not? So now which form you are ready? X plus a into x plus b form. So x squared, that is 100. In place of x you put 100 squared. Plus a plus b. A is 3. 3 plus 7. Into 100. Plus a into b. That is 3 into a. So you have to remember the identity. Clear? Then only you can easily you can solve. Clear? You have to get the form, that is a plus b into x plus a into x plus b. X plus a into x plus b is x squared plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Right? Now you see 100 square is what? 1 is followed by 40. Okay. 100 into 100, 10,000. Now this is 10. 10 into 100, 1000. Plus here 21. That means what? Already 10,000 you have, plus 1000 means 11,000. 11,000. 21 you add, means 11,021. Okay? Understand? You see this problem. 104 into 96. How will you do this? 104 can be written as 100 plus 4 into 96 is 100 minus 4. So you are getting the form a plus b into a minus b. That means a squared, 100 square minus the 4 squared. Here, a plus b into a minus b form. That is a plus b into a minus b is what? A squared minus b squared. Here a is acting as 100, b is acting as 4. Clear? Understand? So if you have first term plus second term and same thing, clear? First term minus second term. If you have same thing means you have to square it and subtract. That's all. That is the concept. Now you square it. How much it will come? 10,000 minus 16. 10,000 minus 16. Right? Therefore, subtract means 9,000. 9,984. Okay, 16 subtract means 9,984. Right? You see this problem. Factorize using appropriate identities. You have to use the correct identities. You see the problem. 9x squared plus 6xy plus y squared. This is clearly in the form of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. You have to make. How to find out a? What is a here? 9x squared, you can write it as what? 3x the whole square. Write it or not? So you take it, this is a. This y squared, you can write it as what? Y the whole square. This one is b. Now you write, make the form. That is 3x the whole square. Plus 2 into the a is 3x. Into the b is what? Y plus y square. So this is form a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is what? A plus a is what? 3x plus b is y the whole square. Okay, but it is the clear. So 3x plus y into again 3x plus y. Okay, if you write up to here means what? You will not get full mark. Okay, because the question is factorized, so you have to make into. Clear? 3x plus y into 3x plus y. Clear? You see this also same form, but here minus is there. So a square minus 2ab plus b squared you can make. So this can be written as 2y the whole squared minus 2 into, right, a 2y, then b is 1 squared, that is 1 plus 1 squared. We are getting the form a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So this is nothing but a minus b the whole square, right? So this can be written as 2y minus y into 1 into 2y minus 1. 2 times you write, okay? 2y minus 1 into 2y minus 1. Clear? You see this third problem. This is in the form of what? A squared minus b squared. Okay, how to make a the whole squared minus b is what? Y by 100 means 10 the whole squared. Okay, so you square it correctly will get. So in the form what? A squared minus b squared. A squared minus b squared means how to remember a plus b into a minus b. That means x plus y by 10 into x minus y by 10. That is factorization. That's all. Clear? So easily you can do. You have done these problems in the lower class also. Okay, just to recall purpose I am teaching. Clear? You see this problem. Fourth problem. Expand each of the following. X plus y, 2y plus 4z whole square. Okay, this is in which form it is? A plus b plus c whole square form. So expanded form formula you have to apply. So what is a plus b plus c whole square form formula? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, you have to remember this formula. Only you can do this problem. Here, understand? So now a is x, b is 2y, c is 4z. So just apply. Therefore, x plus 2y plus 4z the whole square can be written as a square, that is x the whole square, plus b square, that is 2y the whole square, plus c 4z the whole square, plus 2 into a x b 2y plus 2 into b 2y c 4z plus 2 into c 4z a x. Okay, that's equal to x squared. Now just to simplification only, you apply the formula, that's all, over. Next is simplification, correctly how to do. Whole square means 4y square plus, here 4 square is 16 z square plus 2 into 2 4 xy plus 2 into 2 4 4 into 4 16 yz plus 8 zx. That's all. Understand? So next to this problem you see, same way only, the same formula you can apply, a plus b plus c whole square formula. Easily we can make, you see, here this can be written as a is minus 2x plus b is 5y plus c is what? Minus 3z. The same thing, you can write it as a plus b plus c whole square. Now just apply. Clear formula. A square plus b square plus c square you do minus 2x the whole square plus 5y the whole square plus minus 3z the whole square plus 2 into ab. See this minus 2x 5y, you write minus 2x into 5y plus 2 into bc. So 5y into minus 3z plus 2 into CA minus 3z, A is minus 2x. Okay. Now you have to simplify here. So minus 2 squared is 4, 4x squared. Here also plus 5 means 5 squared is 25 the whole square. Plus 3 squared minus 3 squared is 9z whole square. Okay, square there means negative will become a positive only. That is okay, perfect square means always negative will become positive. Clear? Now here is first to multiply the sign. Plus into minus minus, then number multiply. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 5 20 xy. Here plus into minus minus. Here 10, 10 into 3 30 yz. Here minus to minus plus. So plus only. So 6 12 zx. That's all. Okay. Understand? You see this problem. For our convenience, you write it this form. A by 4. This is A by 4 plus, okay, of minus B by 2. Okay, A by 4 plus minus B by 2 plus 1 the whole square. So the form you are getting A plus B plus C the whole square. What is A? A by 4. What is B? Minus B by 2. What is C? 1. So apply the formula. So A squared, A by 4 the whole square plus B squared minus, as it is you write, nothing. Apply formula, that's all. Plus 2 into AB, A by 4 minus B by 2. Just apply the formula, okay. Then BC minus B by 2 into 1 plus then CA, 2 into CA, A is A by 4. Just to apply the formula, that's all. Clear? Nothing. Now simplification. Further simplification you have to do. Correctly you do. A squared by 16 plus B squared by 4 plus 1 squared is 1. Here you see, here you can numerator 2 there, here denominator 2 there. So you can cancel it. So here plus into minus minus. Plus into minus minus AB by 4. AB by 4. Now here you see plus into minus minus. Okay, here one numerator 2, denominator 2 cut in b minus b. Then here 2 numerator, denominator cancel it. That means a by 2 plus a by 2. That's all. Clear? So easily you can apply, okay, by using identities. Clear? Algebraic identity. Easily you can do these problems. Okay. So I will give same type of problems. Few problems for homework. Do it.